Hey guys, they call me a Patronn. How are you? I want to talk to you about the Automotive Game Changer conference that I have going on. Did you know that 80% of the population don't actually go to these conferences? That's the entire world. Okay, only 20% go. And the thing that I learned a year ago was two things, right? How to market myself and how to do it on social media. So those things stuck out, and I did just that. So I listened, I followed the process. It was very, very uncomfortable for me to be on camera a year ago, and now you see we even make bloopers. So I'm gonna teach you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys exactly what it is, the techniques that I use, all the tools that I use, okay, to brand myself. How do you build a brand within a brand? So I highly recommend this is for BDC salespeople, okay, GM sales managers that are not doing it right now, and that's the industry's going. So I'm gonna teach you everything about social media. So click the link below. Let me know if you want a group discount. Okay, hope to see you guys on December 3rd.